Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a wooden top on the lathe. Oh yeah, very nice. Okay, now that it's all smooth, I'll cut it off. I'll take this little extra material off with a belt sander. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'll see if it spins. Okay, so it works. Now I'm going to make a handle for it. I have this scrap wood. Basically, I'll drill a hole in here so that you can stick this up through and then tie a string around it and then pull the string out. I'll just make it and then show you after it's done. Okay, now I'll sand it. Okay, now I'll make a handle and tie a string onto it. So for the handle, I'll use part of this broken croquet mallet stick. Now I'll drill a hole in the dowel. Now that I have a hole drilled in the dowel, I'll attach some cotton string. Now I mark where I need to drill a hole for the string. To make the string easier to guide into the hole, I'll put a little bit of hot glue on the end. And now I'll test it out. Okay, so the hot glue doesn't work very well. Instead, I'll put a little wax on the end. Okay, that should work better. Yeah, it works. This works really well. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. If you wondered how I got such a beautiful finish on this, I just rubbed it on my jeans. Makes it all nice and shiny.